but I love these. I used to have potato storage canisters that were, you know, with lids and totally enclosed except for some air holes. But basically, it took up a lot of room. It just, you know, it was like this whole entire area was filled with those canisters. Plus, because they were kind of enclosed, you know, I never saw them, what was in them. I would go run errands and think, oh, do I need potatoes? Sure, I'll get some just in case, because I don't know. I come back and I've already got too many. I ended up actually wasting a lot of food. So I love that these, you can just see through them, and they're always just on the forefront of your mind. You know if you've got enough onions, garlic, potatoes, or not enough. They come with the bamboo lids that they just sit right on top, so they come off. I love that they've got this plastic thingamajiggy here with a little bit of air underneath, which is great for especially the onions and garlic and potatoes. Another thing that I love is that you can stack them like this, or you can set them side by side like that. So it takes up a little bit more room, but then you've got this whole other shelf if you wanted to put something on top there, which is fantastic. I prefer stacking because I just want to use less, you know, take up less room. So that's my preference. And then another thing, they come with these thingamajiggies. So if you want to put garbage bags in there, then you just place this right in here. It just slides right in. There. And then you've got your roll of garbage bags in there, and then when you want a bag, you just pull it right through and it comes out. But I won't be using those because I want them for food storage. And another thing, they come with these little round thingamajiggies so that they don't slide around. You just stick them on there and see, it doesn't move, it just stays in place. So they're fantastic. I love them, and I highly recommend them.